A God WOD this. A daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. You ever hear Jesus call you and you decide to follow him? If your answer is yes, make sure so you never forget that day and say you will tell other people about the day when you decide to follow Jesus. If your answer is no, now is a good time to think about whether you're going to follow Jesus or not. Remember me tell you, your life are going to change. Anyway, today, we're going to read from the book we name Acts, chapter 22, from verse 1 to verse 30. Paul now attack to the people them. All I know we're older than me, and all I know we're the same age like me. Listen to what I have to say to you. When them hear same talk to them in the Aramaic language, them quiet down even more. Then Paul say, me, I want Jew. Me born in a Tarsus, where they in a Cilicia, but me grow up right here so in a Jerusalem. For me teacher, I did Gamaliel, and he teach me to follow the law where God give for we father them. Hard. And seem like only serious about God. I seem some me did well serious too. Me used to make people we follow the way of Jesus say people feel live suffer bad till them all dead. And tie up man and woman and make them get locked up in a prison. The leader for the priest them and the whole group of elder them can tell them about me. Because them did all give me letter to carry to a brother them in a Damascus. We're Jew. So me go arrest the people them where did I follow the way of Jesus said them to live and carry them come to Jerusalem. Come punish them. When me did dip on my way, I almost reached Damascus. All of a sudden, one bright light from heaven come over me. That I did about middle day. Then me drop a ground and hear one voice say to me, say, Saul, what make you make me suffer? So me ask, who you, sir? Him said to me, say, me a Jesus the Nazarene, where you are make suffer. The man them where they dead with me, see the lights, but they never hear the voice where they attack to me. So me ask, what me for do, Lord? The Lord said to me, say, get up and go to Damascus. When you reach there, you will hear when me pick you for do. Since me couldn't see, cause the bright light with it shine over me did blind me. The man them with it dead with me, hold my hand and lead me to Damascus. One man named Ananias, we really worship God and live the way all the last day we feel live, and where all the Jews live there, talk good about. Come to me and turn upside of me. Him said to me, say, Brother Saul, look, see again. Same time, me look up and see him. Then him said to me, say, the God where we father them worship, pick you for know what him plan for do. For seem servant, we always do him want him for do. And for hear that one day talk to you himself. Him do that because he want you to go tell people everywhere where you see and where you hear. So where you wait for now? Get up, call upon God's name, get baptized, and make God wash your sin. After me go back to Jerusalem, me did in a God house a pray, and me get one vision. In my vision, me see the Lord, and he said to me, say, hurry up, come out of Jerusalem fast, fast, because them not go believe what you have to tell them about me. So me said to him, say, Lord, all of them well know. So me used to go at the Jew them church and beat and lock up anybody we believe in you. And when them did I kill your servant Stephen, me did turn up there and did I say, yeah, him fi dead. And did all I take care of the clothes for the man them we did I kill him. Then the Lord said to me, go on, cause me I go send you far, far to the people them we are not Jew. The crowd did I listen to Paul till him talk about say the Lord send him to the people we are not Jew. Then they start ball out on top of them voice. The man you fi dead. Kill him. All him so, all him no fi live. While them did still a ball out on top of them voice, a back off them jacket and a fling dot in the ear. The head fi 1,000 soldier, the other soldier them, fi carry Paul go back in at the soldier camp. Him tell them fi beat Paul with one whip. So him will tell them what him do, make the crowd a rile up against him so. After then tie him up and stretch him out for beat him, Paul asked the head for 100 soldiers where they turn up there. The law give you no right for beat me. One man will come from Rome, when you not even carry me got quote and say me guilty for nothing. When the head for 100 soldiers hear this, he go to the head for 1,000 soldiers and tell him where here and ask him say, what you gonna do? You don't know say that man you come from Rome. So the head for 1,000 soldiers ask Paul, tell me something. You come from Rome? Paul answer him say, yeah man, I come from Rome. The head for 1,000 soldiers say, me did have to pay one whole heap of money for turn Roman. So Paul say, but a Rome me born and grow. Then the soldier them we did out for beat Paul for making talk. Then back off from him. And the head for 1,000 soldier did frighten when he find out say, he did make the entire Paul, one man we come from Rome. The next day, the head for 1,000 soldier did really want to know what make the Jew them did I go against Paul. So him let him go and order the head priest and the leader them for meet. Then he make Paul turn up in front of them. And God wrote this. Thank God. And if you want to find out what next, tune in again. Better yet, just subscribe to the channel so you will not miss none of what go on right just so. And press the bell, the little bell something too. Yeah, because then we tell you when our next video upload. So yeah, when it work good, and one love.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.